Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today I am going to show you guys dial pad tune and guys sound and vibration setting guys in our Tecno phone. So in this video guys, I will show you guys dial pad tune guys. We will talk about it. So guys, what is dial pad tune guys? I am going to tell you. So guys, you can see when you enter a number. So guys, you can see this sound and guys you want to off this sound guys. You don't like your dial pad tune guys. You want to off this sound. So guys, you can off. And guys, how can you off in your Tecno phone? In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, first of all guys, go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So friends, now time to start video friends. First of all guys, open your phone setting, then guys scroll it, then guys you can see guys your sound and vibration settings. So guys, we will tap here, then guys again scroll it, then guys again scroll, then guys first guys you can see guys your dial pad tone. So guys you will have to click on guys your blue icon. So I will click on blue icon and guys now open your dial pad. So friends, you can see guys your dial pad tone will not work in your Tecno phone guys. Dial pad tone is off. So like that guys, you can off your dial pad tone in your Tecno phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to off dial pad tone in your Tecno phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching our video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.